Good morning, everyone. Today it's day 6, probably. Yesterday I cleaned as much as I could with polyurethane remover all the foam that was glued in the cargo area. So now it looks a bit good. I also cleaned all the sidewalls. So it looks a bit more clean. The car runs fine. Still no mechanical issues or anything after we fix the sensor. Today the plan is that I will try to remove the side door because I noticed there was some rust on the nuts that's holding the bracket, and I will try to use like some rust remover or something to cure the infection of rust. I will do the same also in the back doors where the rubber is. It had a bit of rust because when they were loading they were scratching the metal. But we have to take care of all of that stuff before we start even thinking about installation. So that's the goal for today. One of my friends was nice enough to give me a GoPro to use for recordings. So I think we're gonna create more or better content with it. I still have to get a microphone, but yeah, those things are quite expensive and I'd rather get the money on the van rather a microphone, and this is a Balkan van budget, so I hope the GoPro microphone is good enough for you guys. Hey guys, so end of day 6. I got some clips as well, as you saw. Today what we did is I tried to repair the rust damage that we had in the back doors. The rubber is damaged as well, but we have to find a replacement part for that. There's nothing I can do about the rubber. What I pretty much did is use sandpaper to remove all the rust. And then I polished it and I painted over it, and then I put everything back together. I have to adjust a bit the locking mechanism of the door, but other than that it looks pretty okay. Also there was a rusty spot on the sliding door, so we fixed that as well. And yeah, I did more cleaning on the floors and everything. The polyester foam is kind of difficult to get rid of, but day by day, I guess. Tomorrow we'll see what else we're gonna do. So the project will keep moving on. Hey guys, day 7 today. The goal for today is to sand the floor and make it as clear as it can be, and close any holes. Our plan to close the holes from the existing wood floor is we're gonna put nuts and then cut them and use Sikaflex to seal it off. At least that's the idea. And after we sand it and clear it with thinner and make it like as clean as it can possibly be, we're gonna use a product called the AHP body in order to seal the whole floor, to make sure that no humidity or water or anything can slip through the cracks. And tomorrow probably we're gonna do that, so expect a video of that, and we'll see how it goes. From I think tomorrow it's gonna be the first day that we're actually adding something to the van and not taking away. So let's see. So I was sanding the floor. I got annoyed by the walls, so I primed them, and I used some white color spray to seal off all the scratches that the truck had. Obviously, it's not perfect, but the goal is to seal it off so we don't get any more rust or anything. It looks kind of better, but it won't matter because the insulation and the wood paneling will hide all of this. So now that we have it open, it was a good excuse to just fix it a bit. Let's go sanding. So end of day 7. We sanded the whole floor. It's kind of dark. Sorry about that. We sanded the whole floor and we used the Sikaflex to close all the holes from the drilling from the previous owner. Right now we're warming up the whole van. So tomorrow morning we're gonna use HP body 955 to insulate the whole floor. And I think that will guarantee that we will not have any humidity or water coming in. So yeah, let's see tomorrow. Fun times. Later, guys.